Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at a video called NFL Brutal Trucks of the 2022 to 2023 season from Ding Production. Be sure to check out the original video in the description box below. And so let's see what this video is all about.
They give it to Taylor, and Taylor bursts inside Jacksonville territory, lowers his shoulder. Oh man, what a hit. He had on Rayshon Jenkins, and he's down to the 20. Pierce in motion. Patterson reaches across. His second touchdown today. Here's the run. Pierce with a hole into the secondary, and Pierce leveling Cowboys all the way to the 40-yard line. Boy, he blasted Malik. Here is McCaffrey, right side, breaks a tackle, good shooting move, gets that, still going. McCaffrey's gonna score. Christian McCaffrey has put the team on his back this drive. A little wham block. Jeff Shell. After the first down, Darrell Henderson runs inside the 20. Play on the ground for the first time tonight for the Rams. They'll have first and goal at the 7-yard line. Second and short, back to the ground. Mostert has room and lowers the shoulder, runs over Jordan Whitehead, and keeps going to the 44. Raheem Mostert, angry run. Now back to the ground with Fournette with a giant hole up the middle, lowers the shoulder, and a first down. He ran over Tyrann Mathieu with that one. Football field. Catch made by Robinson out of the backfield. He powers ahead. What a play by the rookie, and Washington jumps out in front. Brian Robinson. Second and 3, pitch back to Kadarius Toney on the edge. Big hit at the 10. Toney keeps going. He's going to be out of bounds before the goal line. Got him out right about the full. Pitch will try it again. Lowers the boom on Ryan Neal. Just punishing. Down to Saquon Barkley. Barkley Gardner Johnson. And got extra from there. Deficit Blankenship eventually get him after 19 yards. In other ways, that's hard. And off to Tillman. Plowing ahead, Tillman. Gonna get a push. But the Vikings push back. He's gonna have the first and goal. Samuel again looks to use his speed. Deebo Samuel's in. Touchdown, San Francisco.
Garoppolo firing a dart. Deebo Samuel, first down and more. Steeds on his feet across the 45. What a play. Missed tackle by Hawk if they get a win and the Chargers lose. But again, Pacheco dishing out punishment, and he's got a first down. And it's over.
Allen starts with a throw and a completion, and right out of the gate, you want the ball? Here it is, Stephon Diggs. He's not targeted, and the first checks it down to McCaffrey. McCaffrey is dangerous. McCaffrey. Oh,
Wow.
Tacklers. Oh, McCaffrey all the way down to the 15-yard line. Near side. Quez Watkins tries to get lazy. He gets smashed out of bounds. Andrew Adams.
Just a little jet sweep pop pass. Strung it out to the sideline.
Swing to McCaffrey. McCaffrey down the sideline. Another first down out of bounds at the 23.
But I promise we weren't. This is just our scouting report. Ooh, another violent collision. Those two, they got a
Catch up. Screen pass. Michael Woods, the second, the rookie out of Oklahoma, makes his 5th NFL catch where you got penalty markers flying in. Pirine to the edge. Got some blocks. Pirine down the sideline, lowering the boom on Sean Chandler for a first down. Gain a 7 on the play, and now Najee Harris breaks one into New Orleans territory and breaks a tackle to get some more. Down to the 21-yard line. 6 in the draft order entering today. Algier absolutely blasted one man, and he's inside the 15-yard line.
Wow.
On first down, finding Williams, and Williams racing to the sideline, nudged out of bounds at the 46-yard line. Carroll Taylor chasing him down. He's caught on the run and busting his way out of a tackle. Edwards-Helaire to the Los Angeles 41-yard line and a first down. We're down at 2. It's Hunt, and he picks up a Cleveland first down.
And look at this angry run by Kareem Hunt. Oh, Mike Edwards, you took all of that, buddy. Woo, woo, woo.
Guards, and they're not able to do that today down so much.
Turpin going the sideline and bounce out. Good job there, buddy. 42.
Going across the field. Dak's got him on the run. Pass Franklin. Picking up lots. CeeDee Lamb. First and goal for Dallas. Talk about a number one receiver.
That's changed. Chenault again. Chenault close to the sticks. And he's got the first down past the line to gain. I tell you, when you're a wide receiver, Patterson bounces off contact inside the 10. And the former Bear with a nice run. Eddie Jackson brings him down. He's already 2 today. Quickly to DK Metcalf. Oh, it's the center. Runs over Ward. Beat him on the touchdown down the sideline, and here he just powers over.
Third down and 1 as Taysom Hill took the snap. First down and
Oh.
on his feet inside the 20, down the sideline, and finally forced out of bounds.
It's time for another run with a flag down. Edwards. Oh, just absolutely runs over Johnson, who can somehow bring him down anyway.
Return Gibson up the right side, got a couple of blocks. There goes Gibson. Good return. Best of the night. Taken out of bounds by Nick McLeod of the Giants. Going to be across the 40 at the 43-yard line. 7, and Brady gets it to Fournette. With some blocking in front of him. Leonard Fournette across midfield into the Chiefs secondary to the 44-yard line. Gain for Fournette.
Dalton scans the field and finds Taysom Hill. Why don't you add him in there in that slot in the stat sheet? A reception for Hill, and he bangs his way ahead for a first down. It's an end around. Raheem Mostert, couple of blockers in front. Raheem Mostert
Wow,
stays on his
wow,
feet,
wow,
crosses
wow,
inside the
wow, wow.
15, and more powerful running from Mostert. 21 yards this time. Allen, quick delivery, far side. This is Collins taking on tacklers. Nico Collins. Manly move up the sideline. 5 of the 290. It's a first and 10 for Clement. Sledgehammering his way into Howard. Working his way for a first down. Baker will keep. Fakes the option pitch, and Baker Mayfield took a big hit and down at the 32-yard line. Pick up a 10.
Jackson clips him.
Fournette. Got popped, but stayed on his feet. There's a flag down as Evans and Hawkins bring Fournette down. Oh.
And there's that physical running style we talked about with Leonard Fox. Sometimes that can make the run hard. See you again.
That still going, by the way, inside the 10. And a first and goal for the Vikings.
3rd and 1 on a toss with some blocking. Puts his shoulder down and gets the first down. And the Raiders sideline reacts to watching the.
Man, are they having fun.
That wasn't fun at all. As he slammed.
They get 6 points off that takeaway. Here's Godwin on the edge. Out of his slot position, and he gets 9. And here, times to have had on this team.
Tua throws it. Bouncing off the tackler is Trent Sherfield. Sherfield to the 26 of the Cleveland Browns.
Harris, flag thrown. Harris, for the moment, gets into the end zone. We saw the flag. It's going to stand as a touchdown.
Oh, he takes on Ramsey. Runs over him.
Every half this year except for today.
Pacheco. First down. And that ends the first half.
Pretty good half right there, both sides.
It's Robinson. Plenty of room off the left side. He's able to move past Richie Grant and still going. Brian Robinson for 10.
He's looking at 34. That's all. Bam! Gets hit. No. I'm all right.
Great cadence of the 37 out quick. There he is, Justin Jefferson. Gain of about 8 yards. He's tackled on the.
That's the longest streak in the league without a playoff victory. Here's Raymond. I believe Raymond takes it inside the 10. We'll return this one for Carolina. Gets to the outside. Blackshear. Whoa, he trucks the kicker Gold, who needs a moment.
There's 2 tackles for Robbie Gould today, and he comes up. Jackson inside the 10, lowers his shoulder, and down to the 3.
Shaquille Griffin makes the tackle. That was some hard running by Deion Jackson. Jackson right up the middle, lowers his shoulder and takes it in. Hey,
Running it back to Los Angeles in the middle. Runs over Kamara, the kicker, as he gets to about the 28. 30-yard return. Let's bring up Matthews.
3rd and 2. A bobble, a catch, a first down. Deebo Samuel still won't go down. First down, San Francisco. Dumps it off Drake. And again, cracked there by Jack. Also over in the vicinity, Devin Bush. Gain of a yard, 19. Doing so is Ryan. For the rookie Woods. That is, I guess, a catch. The ball came out. The Steelers.
2 tight ends in this formation. Long strides. It's good. Shake and bake move. Out of bounds.
And look at him right there. And then at the end of the run, watch him drop the shoulder against Sauce Gardner.
Another block here by Moses. Here comes Huntley. Room to roam. Ooh, then cracked on the near side by Jack. Miles Jack, and you can hear it way up here. Patterson bounces off contact inside the 10. And the former Bear with a nice run. Eddie Jackson brings him down.
Another great video from Ding Production. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to check out other videos in my channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time.